Today we're going to talk about the Sony WF-1000XM4s. And my goodness, what a name. I'll let you decide if you like it or not, or if maybe the marketing team might be able to work up something a little more catchy. These things are all a buzz. They're selling out like hotcakes. It took me a little bit to be able to get my hands on a pair of these, but I got them right here, and I got them for you guys because you guys are awesome. I want to keep bringing y'all fresh, good quality content. So, without further ado, cue cool intro here, which I'll have eventually. Thanks, brother-in-law, for working on that. Let's look at some of the features. Obviously, you know the name, Sony WF-1000XM4. They even added BM on the end of these. Sony has a new chip called the V1 processor chip dedicated for ANC. It's supposed to really beef up the game on here. We're gonna find out. It has Bluetooth 5.2. It supports LDAC, which is higher quality audio files. It has DSEE Extreme to enhance audio quality for lower quality audio files. They weigh 1.45 ounces. They have speak to chat, which is a feature where it automatically reduces volume during conversations. As soon as you start talking, it automatically pauses the music, and it engages ambient mode, which allows you to hear around talking a conversation, you know, when you have ANC on. It recognizes your voice in order to do this, so it's not picking up everybody else's voice to activate this. That would be really frustrating in a crowded coffee shop, wouldn't it? To do that, it uses what Sony calls precise voice pickup. It works with the microphones that on each one of these earbuds, they have an inside and outside microphone. So it works with all four and the sensors and the chip to be able to make that happen. It has a beam-forming microphone and a bone-conducting sensor to help with voice detection during calls in noisy environment. It has a water resistance rating of IPX4. The case, it supports wireless charging. It also has USB-C as well. The ear tips are made out of a polyurethane foam. From what I understand, it's kind of like memory foam, so it seals in there really well. The drivers are 6mm drivers. For everybody else who doesn't want to Google that, that's the speakers themselves, the driver. Automatic wind noise reduction, ambient sound. We talked about that. It lets you hear what's going on around you. You can opt to have adaptive sound control. Learn the places that you frequent, like going to work or being at home, and it will adjust the sound modes based on your location, whatever works best for you. You can opt in or out of that. That's pretty intelligent right there. The battery life, let's talk about that. So I'm gonna get specific about this. I read up on the specs. For talk time, it's 5.5 hours with noise canceling, 6 hours without noise canceling. Music, it's 8 hours with noise canceling and 12 hours without noise canceling. The case has a 16-hour charge time for up to 24 hours of listening time. You can take a 5-minute charge time and have 60 minutes of play time. And a full charge takes 1.5 hours. These puppies are equipped with Google's Fast Pair, and if you lose them, you can find them by checking their last known location on your smartphone. So that might come in handy from time to time, I can imagine. Swift pairing makes easy pairing on Windows 10 devices as well. You can use the app to find the right size ear tips for you. It'll say, hey, show me that ear, take a picture of that ear, whatever. It'll walk you through the steps to be able to do this within the app. You have touch control on the earbuds. So like you take the left earbud and you tap on it, and it'll switch from quick attention mode to ambient sound mode. Long tap, it'll go back to quick attention mode. Double tap, and it'll skip to the next track. When you take your earbuds out of your ears, the music stops playing, and when you put them back in, they start playing again. They come in black and silver, and they have 360 reality audio, which I believe is like spatial audio. And on top of all those things, the packaging is environmentally friendly. There's no plastic in here. Let's go ahead and open these puppies up. While I'm doing that, shoot a comment down below. What do you think about these specs? Do you think that these will be comparable to something else that you may be using? Let's say like the AirPods Pro, or maybe you have the previous generation, the WF-1000XM3s. Good gracious, we really have to get a better name. Got a nice little embossment right there, 1000X series. Here you go. Have a little pull tab right there. It says Sony on the top. On the back side, we have the USB-C charging port. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Pull these out, this plastic out. And this little light right here indicates charging. It was green, then it switched to that orange color. Let's see what else they have in the case. So it has instructions. the rest of the earbud tips, and a USB-C charging cable. There are 3 sets of earbuds. There are the 2 right here, and then the ones that come on them. We have small and large in this little package, so that would be medium that's on them right now. Let me go ahead and download the app. Got it installed, now let's set it up. Popped up. All right, let's go through the device setup. Connected. It let me know the batteries on each one. They were both at about 90% right out the box. This is the screen that pops up. It even shows you the battery life of the charging case. So let's go ahead and pull up the music app. Oh my word. These sound really good. The highs are really crisp, the mids are pretty good, and the lows are really tight and punchy. You do have, man, I can't talk about it while I'm listening. This sounds, I'm impressed. I'm gonna put up this song for you guys. This is the name of the song. Okay, I've listened to a few earbuds in my time and none of them have been this clean. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to describe it to you. I feel like I have a pair of ear cans on. You know, I feel like I have legitimate headphones. Get you some. Get you some. All right, I know that they're pretty pricey for earbuds, and pretty much everything out there, in my opinion, is overpriced, at least to some degree. I don't believe that these are out of that realm. They're still pretty pricey at $279, but I haven't heard their equals. Have the noise canceling. I can't hear that. I have the music on right now. A little. Like, it's probably pretty loud on here, but I can barely hear that. Depending on the volume of the music, really. The noise canceling is pretty legit. It's really, really good. Let me go ahead and pause this. Okay, I can hear that a little bit, and I can hear my own voice. But any other ambient noises, the ANC is performing really well. It's doing really well. And the ear tips seal really well. So that makes a massive difference. You can have awesome ANC with subpar sealing ear tips, and it's gonna be a fight. It's not gonna be nearly as effective. So the ear tips are doing pretty well. They ain't going anywhere. Maybe after extended use, they may be a tad on the snug side, I guess. It's perhaps that long use might be a little bit uncomfortable, but I'm not experiencing that right now. They feel great. They feel fine right now. Shoot me a comment down below. Let me know if you had any questions about these. Let me know if there's anything that I missed in this review that you'd like to know more about, or that you'd like to perhaps see a video on. I'm going to be doing a comparison video of these versus the AirPods Pro very soon, so hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll be able to come back. It'll give you a notification when I post that one. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Let me know, like I said, comment down below anything else you want to know about these things. In the meantime, you have a blessed day, and we'll catch you later.